Hi, I'm Sandeep. I have 16 years of experience in product development, and I'm currently working with Quintily as delivery manager. This is my journey so far. Coming to my background, I have done my BTech in electrical and electronic engineering. Just like any other self-doubting engineer, I went to Amirpet to learn a bunch of programming languages. But soon I realized that until you have practical experience on coding, you will not understand the in-depth of the concepts in programming languages. Then I thought of shifting my career to testing, and I had the opportunity to work as a game tester in one of the reputed gaming companies. I've been associated with a gaming company for almost 10 years. Then I hit a roadblock in my career where I was not able to think through on what next I have to do to enhance my career. That's when I met Prasanna. It was a casual chat over a beer where Prasanna was explaining his vision about Quintily and what projects they are working on. That conversation led me joining Quintily very soon. And initially, when I joined Quintily, my transition was not smooth. I had a lot of challenges where I have to unlearn and relearn a lot of programming languages. And I was working as a software engineer for one of the client locations where I have to work on Selenium and C Sharp, and I successfully delivered that project on time. Thanks to Vishnu, Rashi, Anand for trusting in my abilities and providing me more opportunities to grow at Quintily. I started, so predominantly my career was all about QA and project management within QA, but my career took a deep dive in learning new technologies as soon as I joined Quintily. I was part of two digital transformation projects with this company, as I had chance to work with Azure, AWS, SAP technologies, and also it helped me to improve my uh, project management skills because I was working with one of the top Fortune 50 companies in the world, and also I improved on my cultural competencies and partner relationship building because I was able to work with people from different geolocations. I worked closely with people from France, Israel, and of course USA, and also partly worked with people from Taiwan and Japan. The one thing I like about Quintily is its flat hierarchy where you can openly discuss with your managers on your goals, what skill sets you want to learn and how you want to contribute towards the quality product. And because I've seen my colleagues personally who were from QA background moving into DevOps and product development, and they are currently successful in their roles. Three suggestions that I would like to give for people who wanted to start career with Quintily is be very transparent with your managers on your goals. Tell your managers on what skills you want to learn and how you want to contribute. The second suggestion I would like to give is never think that you have enough skill set to excel in the current role. The market is very competitive and a new tool comes up almost every day. So keep upskilling yourself, keep learning and keep growing. The third suggestion is to be proactive, accountable, and responsible towards your role in Quintily. When I joined Quintily, my goal was to contribute towards automation space, but I went beyond it now, where I was working with quality products, which were using latest tools and technologies that are available in the market. So, welcome to Quintily. Let's learn and let's grow together.